Hey, caramba. Let's start our story. In a dust-covered town on the borderline, where lawmen's badges lost their shine, rode Patrick the hamster, eyes of steel in his black coat. His strength was real, with golden fur and warrior's heart, his legend tearing worlds apart. Patrick the protector, brave and bold, guardian of justice, truth untold. First in battle, voice like thunder, evil splits his gaze asunder. Oh, Patrick, tireless guard, keeping our town from falling hard. They say he's seen 100 fights across the desert's coldest nights. Enemies scatter in the shade when his silhouette starts to fade. A western legend still alive, in his eyes the will to strive.